Here we have a Revit family, which is of the latest version. This is Revit 2022. Currently, we cannot see the details and the version of this Revit. So we have to open Revit 2022, and from there we will open and check the version of this file. Basically, we have this Revit family that we needed, but unfortunately, the project we are using is of a lower version, which is Revit 2021. So we need this family or this particular object for us to have the same model or family to be used all throughout the project. It's the same owner and client, but they are using a different version of Revit. So here we need to select open, and then from here we go to the folder where it is located, and here you can see it's Revit 2020. So we will open this file, and the workaround for this so we can use this family is we need to export this object into a CAD 3D file. To set up the export for the CAD, we need to hide the other elements except for the object that we needed. So this is the object that we need. We have temporarily hide and isolate the other elements, and then we have to go and select export. Here we have to select the CAD format and DWG file. The setup is here, current view, and we have to change some of the settings. Here we'll just follow the standards, and from this part is okay. And then this one is the color if we have preferred selection. Here we need to select solid. Then we'll check the units in millimeters, and then we can complete the setup. Then click next, and then here we need to provide the location of the files where we want to save it. If you want to change the file name, you can change it. Now we are going to change it to 2021 so we can identify it easily. This one we need to uncheck because if there's any link, we do not want it to be included in our export. Now let's or we can select also the AutoCAD version that we'll prefer 2020. Click OK. Then here we need to make sure we select the leave temporary, hide and isolate. Now the export has been completed. It's that easy and it's quite fast. So now we just need to check the file if it's already in the correct folder. Here we can see that this is the 3D CAD files that we have exported. Now we'll have to start and create a new family using the Revit 2021 version. So here we'll use the metric system. We will select the metric uh, face-based template. Select open, and from once we have opened this template, we need to go to the reference level. That is where we need to insert our exported 3D CAD model. So here we need to select import CAD. Let's select the 3D CAD file. Here we just have to check the settings. So this one will maintain to uncheck. And here we can proceed and select open so we can insert the file into our new template. Select open. So now you can see that the object has been inserted into our template. It is currently pinned, so we have to unpin it later. Let's go to 3D view. You can see that the object is hidden by the uh, host object, so we have to adjust it so to make sure that it is visible. So okay, sorry, we made a mistake. We just need to minimize it. Then you can see that the object is already visible in 2D and in 3D. So one thing we have to make sure is we need to make sure that we explode this inserted 3D object, because currently it's a group into one solid object. So here we'll select the object and select full explode. So select the object, select explode, and then here we'll select full explode. If you don't do this procedure, your object will not be visible in your Revit model once you want to use this method. So here we have already completed all the settings. We can therefore save this new family and then use it as a Revit 2021 version, a lower version of the original Revit family that we have used. So this is a workaround. Here we'll select the family category. We'll use it as a lighting fixtures. Then we can save this family. If you have your Revit project open in Revit 2021, you can actually uh, use the load this into project. But here we're going to save it first, so we will have a reference file later. We'll just change this to 2021 so we know that the version is Revit 2020. Now we'll need to open our project, which is in Revit 2021 version. So here, let's go to that folder and open the project. This is our project, so let's open it and just select append. Let's wait for us to open the project. Here we can activate the view for the electrical sheets, so we can try to use the Revit family which we have already created or converted from Revit 2020 to 21 version. So we have already the family, but here it's not visible, so we just have to adjust the view template. I think the electrical lighting fixtures has been switched off. Click apply and then click OK. So let's try again and insert or place one lighting fixtures. Here you can see that it's a face-based model, so it's on the wall. Let's adjust the elevation to 2100, and let's go to the 3D view and see if we can view or it is visible in the 3D. So there is our Revit family converted. So now we have successfully converted this Revit 2022 family to a lower version by exporting it into CAD file and then creating a new Revit family. So here we'll try to use and reload the Revit 2022 family, and let's see what will happen. Here is the previous files, which is in Revit 2022. Click open, and you will have a Revit warning or error warning which shows that this file has been created in a latest version and could not be used in a lower version of Revit. Thank you.